Your kitchen will be crowned. I'll give you a delicious pastry recipe. Try this recipe. It is incredibly delicious and very easy. I wanted you to take a closer look. No one can say no to this taste. One tablespoon of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 cup warm water, 1 cup warm milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. Five cups flour, 1 heaping teaspoon of salt, mix it with the spatula first. Please add controlled flour. Knead the dough well by adding very little flour. Thank you very much for your likes, comments, and channel subscription. Cover it and wait about 45 minutes for it to ferment. "45 minutes. Remove the dough to the counter. From the dough, make small tangerine-sized rounds. I divided it into 18 equal parts. Mix some feta cheese, parsley, and chili peppers. You can easily shape it with the help of a rolling pin. Press the middle of the dough as you see in the video. Put cheese filling. Fold the dough in half. Press it again with the rolling pin. It's so easy to shape. It's so much fun, I'll show it again. I would be very happy if you write which country you are watching from. Your comments are very precious to me. I read them all one by one. Cover it and wait 20 minutes. Mix 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Crawl on the buns. Some roasted sesame. Bake at 185 degrees in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. It looks really appetizing. I put it on the oven wire to cool. You can continue to watch more closely. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Bon appetit to those who will try. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.